Maharashtra restores Olectra electric bus order, but there's a catch. With an aim to make the state more EV-friendly and pollution-free, the government, in Maharashtra, has now opted to restore its contract for 5,150 electric buses from Olectra Green Tech Limited, but with a revised delivery timetable. According to the new timeline, the company has to deliver 620 electric buses this year, 2,100 units in 2026, and the rest 2,210 buses by 2027 to the Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation. Following a meeting at the Mantralaya between Olectra Green Tech officials and Maharashtra Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik, the order was reinstated. The buses must be delivered according to the new schedule to guarantee that passengers receive the promised services. We had earlier decided to cancel the contract given to them because the consortium failed to deliver the electric buses in the said timeline, said Sarnaik, as quoted by NDTV Profit. As per an exchange filing on July 7, 2023, MSRTC signed a letter of intent with Olectra Green Tech and EV Trans Private Limited to buy 5,150 electric buses for a total of Rs 10,000 crore. These were said to be delivered over the course of 2 years 24 months, but the authority has only received 220 electric buses thus far. Due to this, the said order was cancelled. In an interview with NDTV Profit, Sarnaik said, "We had an agreement with Olectra in January 2024 that stated they were supposed to deliver more than 2,000 buses by now. We had planned our operations accordingly to serve the people. However, they have only supplied 220 buses so far. How long should we wait? We have sought legal advice before proceeding with contract cancellation. It isn't that their buses are defective. We simply need the buses to serve people. We cannot wait forever for a contractor," he added. Swipe left for next video. The MSRTC expected the company to provide at least 1,200 buses by now, but that did not happen. Not just this, Olectra Green Tech has also faced a major setback as they delivered only 10 out of the 50 ordered electric buses in Telangana. In March 2023, TSRTC placed an order with Olectra Green Tech for 500 intracity and 50 intercity electric buses at Rs 1,000 crore. They were supposed to be supplied within 16 months and handled by Olectra, however, that did not happen. Therefore, the intercity bus order is now withdrawn. Latest blogs.